When you spend premium money on a bike, you want more than speed. You want quality, soul, and a ride worth every mile. Today, we're counting down the top 7 premium bikes that deliver true value in comfort, performance, and pure riding pleasure. Let's start with number 7. Number 7, KTM 1290 Superduke R. They call it the Beast for a reason. The KTM 1290 Superduke R is not just a naked sport bike, it is an adrenaline machine that blends Austrian engineering with raw attitude. Under the tank sits a 1301cc V-twin engine producing an incredible 175 horsepower and 103 pound-feet of torque. That means explosive acceleration at any gear, yet surprisingly smooth power delivery for everyday riding. Its lightweight chromolyzed steel frame keeps handling razor-sharp, and the fully adjustable WP Apex suspension lets you tailor the ride from canyon carving to cross-country runs. The 6-axis IMU controls lean-sensitive traction, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes, making it as safe as it is fast. You get a 4.7 gallons fuel tank, a 32.9 inches seat height, and a dry weight of just 416 pounds. Impressive for a bike with this much muscle. The 5-inch TFT display packs all your data with crystal clarity. On the road, it feels agile, confident, and brutally quick, but never unrefined. This is a bike for riders who want premium performance without losing that wild edge. It is not cheap, but every twist of the throttle reminds you why it is worth every dollar. Number 6, Ducati Panigale V4 S. The Ducati Panigale V4S is where Italian craftsmanship meets MotoGP-inspired performance. From the moment you see it, the sculpted aerodynamic fairing and signature LED headlights tell you this is a superbike built to dominate both the track and the streets. At its heart is the 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine producing a blistering 216 horsepower and 91 pound-feet of torque. The way this engine delivers power is nothing short of thrilling, linear, relentless, and paired with the unmistakable Ducati exhaust note that gives you goosebumps every time you roll on the throttle. The bike weighs just 412 pounds dry thanks to its aluminum monocoque frame and lightweight forged wheels. Öhlins NPX 2530 electronic front forks and TTX 36 rear shock adapt instantly to your riding style. Whether you are pushing hard on the track or enjoying a spirited weekend ride, a full electronic suite includes Ducati Traction Control Evo, wheelie control, slide control, and a stunning 5-inch TFT display that keeps all the data at your fingertips. The Brembo Stylema brakes offer track-level stopping power with incredible feel. With a 4.5 gallons tank and aggressive yet surprisingly manageable ergonomics, the Panigale V4S proves that a true superbike can feel worth every penny. Not just for its speed, but for the way it makes you feel like a professional racer every time you ride. Number 5, BMW R18B. The BMW R18B is proof that luxury and heritage can live together in one breathtaking cruiser. Inspired by BMW's classic designs of the 1930s, it blends timeless lines with modern comfort and technology, making it a true premium touring machine. At the core is a massive 1802cc air and oil-cooled boxer twin, delivering 91 horsepower and 116 pound-feet of torque. The torque comes in low and strong, making highway overtakes effortless and city cruising smooth. The signature boxer layout keeps the bike's weight balanced and its ride surprisingly agile for a full-size bagger. It tips the scales at 877 pounds fully fueled, with a 28.3 inches seat height that keeps it approachable. The 6.3 gallons fuel tank provides excellent range, perfect for long-haul rides. A large 10.25-inch TFT display sits front and center, integrating navigation, music, and bike information in crisp detail. The R18B features adaptive LED lighting, heated grips, multiple ride modes, and a Marshall Gold Series Stage 1 audio system. Because premium touring is not just about the ride, but also the soundtrack. The suspension is tuned for comfort, with a telescopic fork up front and a cantilever rear shock that absorbs road imperfections with ease. With its mix of vintage charm, modern luxury, and rock-solid performance, the BMW R18B is not just a bike, it is a rolling statement that every mile you ride is worth the price you paid. Number 4. Yamaha Niken GT. The Yamaha Niken GT is not just a motorcycle, it is a bold statement in engineering. With its unique leaning three-wheel design, it challenges everything you think you know about sport touring, delivering unmatched stability, comfort, and cornering confidence. Powering the Niken GT is an 890cc inline three-cylinder engine producing 114 horsepower and 66 pound-feet of torque. This is the same CP3 engine that made the MT-09 legendary, offering smooth power delivery and an addictive mid-range punch. Paired with a quick shifter and assistant slipper clutch, every shift feels sharp and effortless. The highlight is Yamaha's leaning multi-wheel system. Two front wheels with independent suspension let you carve corners with the same lean angle as a standard bike, but with incredible front-end grip. It inspires confidence in wet conditions and on long touring days when fatigue sets in. Weighing in at 580 pounds wet, the Niken GT carries a 4.8 gallons tank and offers heated grips, cruise control, and a tall adjustable windscreen for all-day comfort. The 32.3 inches seat height ensures a relaxed riding position for a wide range of riders. A full LCD display keeps you informed, while integrated side cases make it ready for serious touring. The Yamaha Niken GT is not for everyone, but for those who value innovation, safety, and a unique riding feel, it is worth every single dollar. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special. The Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special is proof that an American icon can reinvent itself without losing its soul. Built for adventure, it combines Harley's unmistakable presence with cutting-edge technology and genuine off-road capability. At its heart is the Revolution Max 1250cc V-twin engine producing 150 horsepower and 94 pound-feet of torque. Unlike traditional Harley power plants, this liquid-cooled engine revs freely, delivering smooth yet explosive acceleration both on and off the pavement. The Pan America 1250 Special stands out with its semi-active Showa suspension, which automatically adjusts damping based on terrain and load. The optional adaptive ride height system lowers the seat to 31.1 inches when stopped, making it far more approachable for riders of all sizes before returning to full clearance once you are moving. It comes equipped with a 5.6 gallons tank, a weight of 569 pounds dry, and a full-color 6.8-inch TFT touchscreen display with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and ride mode customization. Cornering ABS, traction control, hill hold assist, and multiple power maps give it a safety net without compromising adventure spirit. Whether you are carving mountain twisties or tackling fire roads, the Pan America 1250 Special feels like a premium tool built to go anywhere. It is more than Harley's first adventure bike. It is a statement that American engineering can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world. Number 2. Aprilia RS V4 Factory. The Aprilia RS V4 Factory is a masterclass in Italian superbike engineering, built for riders who demand precision, speed, and uncompromising performance. It is not just fast, it feels like a finely tuned weapon designed to dominate every corner and straight. At its core is a 1099cc V4 engine producing an astonishing 220 horsepower and 93 pound-feet of torque. The acceleration is breathtaking, yet the power delivery is smooth and predictable thanks to Aprilia's advanced electronics package. The RS V4 Factory features an aluminum dual-beam chassis and MotoGP-inspired aerodynamics, including integrated winglets for improved stability at high speeds. The Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension continuously adjusts to road and track conditions, ensuring razor-sharp handling without sacrificing comfort. Weighing just 450 pounds dry, it carries a 4.7 gallons fuel tank and offers a perfectly balanced riding position that blends aggressive control with long-distance manageability. The 5-inch full-color TFT display provides quick access to customizable ride modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and more. Brembo Stylema brakes deliver incredible stopping power with precise feel, while Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa tires keep you glued to the road. The Aprilia RS V4 Factory is a purebred superbike, one that gives you race-level performance with the refinement to make every ride feel worth the price. It is a machine for those who see riding as an art form and want the very best brush. Number 1. Triumph Rocket 3R. The Triumph Rocket 3R is the undisputed king of muscle roadsters, delivering a riding experience so powerful and refined that it feels worth every cent the moment you twist the throttle. It is not just a motorcycle, it is a statement of dominance. Powering this beast is the largest production motorcycle engine in the world, A 2458cc inline 3-cylinder, producing 165 horsepower and an earth-shaking 163 pound-feet of torque. The torque comes in so low that even a gentle roll-on sends you surging forward with unstoppable force. Despite its size, the Rocket 3R handles with remarkable agility thanks to its aluminum frame, optimized weight distribution, and premium Showa suspension. Brembo Stylema brakes provide immense stopping power, matched perfectly to the bike's raw muscle. It weighs 641 pounds dry and carries a 4.8 gallons tank, with a seat height of just 30.4 inches, making it surprisingly accessible for such a commanding machine. The 4.7-inch TFT display offers customization options, navigation, Bluetooth, and integrated GoPro control. Every detail feels premium, from the brushed metal finishes to the impeccable fit and finish. On the highway, it feels planted and unstoppable. In town, it turns heads like few bikes can. The Triumph Rocket 3R is more than a premium motorcycle. It is an unforgettable riding experience that makes every mile worth the investment. That wraps up our list of the top 7 premium bikes that feel worth every dollar. Which one would you take home? Drop your pick in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe for more rides that are worth every cent.